money. You're high about an inch, left about an inch. Let me adjust it just a little bit. Money.
For the sake of this video, we should ask in the middle of this video that do you think Casey and everybody else will have pellet guns next week for their hunters?
No.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
We're having the time of our life.
They're $100 kills, though. Oh!
Scare him off, Dave?
He's still on the base station. Take him down.
He's still on the bait station?
He was. Yep, he's there.
No way.
Oh yeah, he's back.
Hey Dave, settle in. It'll be all right.
Ground. I think that was my hunter.
Yeah. It's the most perfect bait setup. All my year squirrel hunting, I've never experienced a setup like this. This is perfect. Run with Chris and Jerry.
You should see these guys. They know how to bait squirrels like nobody else.
Do you guys have a blog or something we could write on?
Yeah.
There he is. He's moving. He's on the move to the right.
On the feed station.
He's in the food plot.
Oh. Oh, we got 2 misses. Where's the lead? A 25-yard shot at the Pepsi can.
Do it to it, buddy.
32 yards. Wow.
Oh, yes, sir!